Okay. I'll do that, but I want them done like on probably like the 26th or something like that.
Okay.
20, 26th, 27th, I think.
Oh, okay, of next week?
Yeah, maybe the 27th. I gotta go to the airport on the 26th and pick somebody up. So.
Okay.
Um.
How about this? Because let's see here. Let me see here. I'm booked for the 27th. Um,
Okay.
and I'm off. I want to say by. I want to say by 3:34. Um, I
Yeah.
don't. I
How
don't
about
know.
the 28th?
The 28th. I'm actually booked for that week, but I could tell you this: if actually the second, which is on a Friday, if
Uh-huh.
if you're available, I could show up that day in the morning. But if I get somebody that reschedules or reschedules their appointment, I would definitely give you a call that week, or even try to squish you in on the 27th, because that one it's till 3, but it all depends. If somebody reschedules to on that day, say the first
Yeah.
job, then I could even give you a call if it's done by 1 or 2. I could swing by
Well,
and get it done.
if you just want to do, I mean, if you can do that, I guess that'd be all right. But if your first open you got is on the 2nd, which is the 8th.
Yes, on a Friday, on the 2nd.
The 2nd is a Friday.
Correct.
Yeah. You could just book me for that. Fine.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll do it for 9 a.m., Mike. I'll see you at 9 a.m. And then, and yeah, you
I
get that.
thought it would be. I thought it was going to be 80.
Yeah, 80. No,
And,
yeah, no, I was saying 9 a.m. in the morning.
Oh, 9 a.m. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
Okay, sounds great.
All right. I'll see you then.
Okay, sounds great, Mike. We'll talk to you soon and have a nice evening. Thank you very much.
All right. Hey, I gave your number to somebody, a friend of mine who just bought a house here.
Oh,
Too. I
congratulations.
don't know if they got a hold of you or not.
What is their name, just in case?
Well, they probably haven't yet because they haven't closed on it yet, but it's down off of Lost Creek.
Okay, Lost Creek. Okay.
It's a big house with 2 stories, and she probably wants all the windows done in and out. But anyway, just to let you know,
yes,
her name is Roxy.
Roxy. Okay.
Roxy, and Roxy. I hope she calls you anyway.
Yeah, no. If I tell you what, and this is because we've been improving on the company too as well. We got some referrals. So for instance, Mike, say you know somebody that needs their windows cleaned. You know what will happen is you'll get your $20 discount automatically.